Welcome to this empathic detox and emotional cleansing meditation. As an empath, you may often carry emotional and energetic burdens that aren't yours. This meditation is designed to help you release and cleanse any energies or emotions you've absorbed from others, restoring your natural balance and inner peace. Find a comfortable position where you can fully relax. Close your eyes and begin to take slow, deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and then exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any tension. Allow your body to become soft and relaxed, sinking into the support of the earth beneath you. Begin by visualizing roots extending from the base of your spine and the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth. These roots anchor you firmly to the ground, providing a strong connection to the earth's stabilizing energy. Feel this grounding energy rising up through your roots, entering your body, and filling you with a deep sense of calm and stability. With each breath, draw more of this grounding energy into your body, allowing it to calm your mind and soothe your emotions. Feel yourself becoming more centered, more balanced, and fully grounded in the present moment. Now, imagine a brilliant white light descending from above, entering the top of your head and flowing through your entire body. This white light is pure and cleansing, with the power to dissolve and release any energies or emotions that do not belong to you. As this light moves through your body, visualize it gathering any dark spots, shadows, or heavy energies that you may have absorbed. These could be emotions like fear, anxiety, or sadness that aren't yours. Allow the white light to gently but firmly push these energies out of your body, down through your feet, and into the earth where they are absorbed and neutralized. Continue to visualize this cleansing light moving through every part of your body, your head, neck, shoulders, chest, arms, abdomen, legs, and feet, clearing away any residual energies that are not your own. With each exhale, feel these energies leaving your body, leaving you lighter, freer, and more at peace. Take a moment to silently affirm to yourself, I release all energies that are not mine. I cleanse and restore my energy to its purest form. With your energy now cleansed, visualize a soft, golden light beginning to fill the spaces left by the released energies. This golden light is warm, nurturing, and healing, restoring your energy to its natural, balanced state. Allow this golden light to fill every part of your being, bringing a sense of peace, harmony, and wholeness. Feel yourself becoming more balanced, more centered, and completely restored. As we begin to close this meditation, take a few deep breaths, savoring the feeling of being completely cleansed and restored. Know that you can return to this practice anytime you need to release and cleanse your energy. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently stretch your body, and take one final deep breath in, exhaling fully. Open your eyes, feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and at peace. Namaste.